Mm-hmm.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 8 p.m. At 7:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Warrenville or over Naperville, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Lombard, Carroll Stream, Glendale Heights, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, Westmont, Lisle, Darien, Warrenville, and Winfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio.